Hello everyone. Now let's get into Git logs. Since Git log is very helpful, there are multiple ways you can get the data you require. Um, so this is the official documentation. So let me just pull up my Git bash and let's start working on this. Before I start, let me just go to the path where I've initialized Git. Just let me quickly say git log, and I see all my entries are of July 4th, so let me just create an entry for today. You can use Q because this is a scrollable detail, so if you want to stop this, you have to just click Q on your keyboard. So let me just uh, create some entry for today. So let me say code first file dot txt. I am writing this command on July 9th. Okay, that's the only change I want to add. Say OK, and let me go back and say git add and git commit -m, add a line for today. Okay, that's done. So now let's use different gitlog functions. We have already used gitlog. Okay, now we go ahead with gitlog one line. So we have used in the previous sessions. We just get all the instructions in one line. Okay, I mean all the commits, so beautifully placed. So we are done with gitlog. We are done with gitlog on one online, wherein we were given the commit ID and the first line of your commit message. That is why when I explained the best practices, I mentioned you should write the subject at the top and then leave a space and then write the details, so that this can be neatly seen here. Now along with that, there is something called gitlog decorate. So this is how it will come in. Next we'll go by filtering of the git command. So if you want to see, since we are able to see so many logs here, we will pressing a Q, say git log. I want to see only the last three commands, so I say -3 and I see only the last three commands. Okay, and say I want to filter by date, so I say git log. Okay, I sorry guys, I missed the dash after equal to 2024 7 5, and I have received there was only one entry, right? Everything was on 4th July, so I just added one line today. So that's the only entry that has come after this date. Okay, similarly you can use before, you can use if you want some date between, you can use before and after. If you want to filter by author, this is how you do it. So let me pull up git log dash dash author equal to, say I will say only tech. So let's see if it will filter me. Yes, it filtered all the comments by tech study buddy. Similarly, you can mention the files and only see the logs of that file, and also by commit message. If you remember, say you're thinking about certain functionality, you want to see all the commits on that, this is a very good command to go ahead and use. In case you want to see a single git history, so now say you know the hash and you want to see the history of that. So let me just say git log so I could get git log one line. So I have received a hash. So I want to see about this one. Oops. Say get show and paste. So it showed basically in this commit what had happened. So it showed that they've done a diff between the file's first state and the file's next state, and they have told that in the first file there was removal of a line and then there was an addition. Okay, that's how you can see the details of a single commit as well. So you want to see the stats, basically what are the files involved, and with these entries you can use git log stat. So along with the log you will get the stat, and you want to see the details of one particular branch, just mention git log that particular branch. Okay, and then you will get detail all the commits of only that branch. Okay, um, navigating through the logs, like I said, you can move up and down, and then if there was, especially when there's git log and you have too many entries, um, then you will need to press Q to exit. Okay, that is how all I had with regards to git log. If you have any questions or doubts, please let me know. I'll try helping you out. Thank you.